this column is oven temperature. Okay, my boss, you're welcome. Are we together? Hello. I'm going to change this label. Weight of cookies versus oven temperature and what? Sugar type. Okay. So let's just say that is what this is all about. Okay. I'll have that moved up here. Even though it looks somehow, I'll have it corrected. So we have cookies. We have of weight. Okay. Are we ready? Hello. Are we ready? All right, Jacinta, please move your brown to the one, the cell containing one. Drop it on top of that cell with one. Okay. Now merge and center all the way down to the fifth number. Merge and center. No, no, watch your table. No, no, your selection is wrong. Now merge. Merge and center is the default. You don't need the call out menu. Okay? Do the same thing for the next one. No, no, merge and center. Good. Now select the two, center them, align them middle. Select the two, align middle. Thank you. Now, do you notice there is an overflow, a blank row there? Please kindly delete the two. The blank row, delete that blank row across. Yes, not that way. Thank you. Do the same. Thank you. All right, so let's get to what? ANOVA now. Two factor. Are you with me? Now, our selection here, when we do ANOVA two factor, starts from this blank. Remember, it's always a square block like this. Are we there now? Please take note. So we are heading to what? The data tab. Go to data analysis. Please follow me. You're not doing it here now. Just go straight to the data tab. Follow me. Are you doing? Go to data tab. Click data analysis. Now on your data analysis dialog box, look for ANOVA with replication. All we have here is repeated levels of what? Sugar. Are we there now? On the row. So we are repeating for brown and also repeating for what? White. So you're using what? ANOVA two factor with what? Replication. The baking process was done for these two levels, one for brown and the next for what? White, at different intervals of what? Temperature change. So we are using this. Are you with me now? So click OK. Now in your input range, remember I just said earlier on that you will be using what? This as your reference point. Are we there now? You click and drag, forming is a block. So do that quickly. If your dialog box covers the screen, you can drag it to the side like I did now. Now select. Your reference point is from here. Click and drag across. View that range. Are we done? Your selection seems to be not right, Jacinta. Please clear what you have in that input range box and do it again. Not that way. Start. Okay. 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 Good. Now go select now. Select the range. This range. From there. Click and drag. No, you're picking only that cell. Go to the input range box and clear what you have there. Input range box. Watch, watch, watch. The dialog box has it here. Input range box. See there. Clear what you have there. Good. Now go back to the table, click and drag across to this point from this reference point. You are not doing it. Watch. Click here on the table. Now click and drag. That's it. Good. Now kindly go down here. Do you see rows per sample? Are we there now? The sample we are considering here is the sugar. Are we there now? How many rows per brown sugar? So you write it inside there. Are we there? Please follow me. You have finished with the input. So let's consider the output option. Where do you want to keep the result of this analysis? Give it the output range. Are we there now? I will drop it somewhere here. So I click inside the output range box and come down here and click. Are you with me? When that is done, click the OK button and we are done. Do you see the ANOVA two-factor with replication results? Now, interpretation. The first summary here that we have here is more of tilted towards what? Brown, the brown sugar. Are we there now? Hello, please take a look at the table which is on your screen, your output. The first table here is focused on this, just this brown sugar part. Are we there now? Hello? What's it saying? It is saying that the count of times for which the bake was done was what? 5 at each intervals of what? Temperature. Is it not? Then it now gives us the sum total of the weight that was the cumulative weight at each what? Intervals of temperature. Are we there now? Good. Then it now went further to calculate the average over 5. Now if you want to test that, look at it here. You say equal what? The sum divided by this count. You see the result 91, 91. Are we there now? So that's it. It is accurate. The analysis too did its job. Are we there now? Next, the variance is what we are seeing here being calculated. So on a total scale, if you look at it, the number of times the cake was baked, the cookies was baked with brown sugar is what? 15. The aggregate what? Sum total for those 15 bakes is what? This for the weight. Okay. The average is also this. So you could still do this equal average. And then you what? Collect 1, 2, and 3. The average of these three average will give you this as it. Are we there now? So Excel took care of that for us. So similarly, it's the same interpretation we are getting here. Are we there now? You know how to interpret or narrate that now from the example from the brown sugar. So let's focus on this. The variance are more or less like what? A deviation from the mean. Are we there now? The variance. You want to check out how the variance was calculated. That's really what your objective is. Okay. So it's equal var. Now for sample is what we will use. Are we there now? Now the variance comes from here. See there. Do you see it? That's how it's gotten. There's a function called var, not var. I'm not using the var p. That's if you're doing a variance of a population. Okay. All right. So I think that's just basically what it is. Are we together now? All right. Now, straight to business, the ANOVA table. We will skip the sum of squares. We'll skip the degree of freedoms because they are just accessories as much as it means sum of square to what? The F critical and the F stat and P values. Are we there now? Hello? In this case, the research question here is more or less tilted towards three hypotheses. Are we there now? Why do I say so? First is to determine the what difference between the means, the average cookie weight in terms of what? The what varying what? Oven temperature. Are we there? Second one is to determine if there's any